aharisha hamwenda n'eshweka z'omwabaziyo Purezidenti Museveni wabashendekerezi bw'omukazi we Mama Janet Museveni nibwo yakacha cha Karas Girls Primary School omuri district ya Amudat. Yaashaba abantu ba Amudat okoresa obusinjo buri omuchanga chabo okore byentunguka.
So hard to make sure Karamoja becomes peaceful like any other part of Uganda.
Amboloki keseng paita PNRM keswala mite nagora Karamoja kalia amba Uganda la pai.
So please make it your responsibility to make sure that everybody will vote so that we protect our gains in this country and take a qualitative leap for the whole of Uganda, including Karamoja.
Your people.
Kalama kwa chairperson to nyonyi PNRM where mninga weoyi wanaga mwaunda wala kipari itai payon go pitch.
When you are determined to commit suicide,
atina kimiti na kimaka kuketa kai
by staying with the gun.
I
said no, I cannot allow my people to commit suicide. Because you are finishing one another. And some people are saying, no, Karamoja is different. You can't remove guns in Karamoja unless you remove them from the Pokot of Kenya, unless you remove them from the Turkana, unless you remove the guns from the Topoth of Sudan, unless you remove them from the reindeer of Ethiopia, unless you remove them from the Somalis. I said I'm not here to disarm Africa. I am here to disarm my people.
Purezidenti Museveni yagira ngo bwanyuma yo kuletaho obusinjo muri Amudat hatanaza konjera mano mu kukora enguuto amashanyarazi amizi marungi hamwe no kubasiyaho obundi buhereza.
Translate infrastructure as a foundation for economy.
Mwala wala kitortoy kinyoripit wala namtoy ngalakiletat.
Now, here you have the roads. You have the electricity. You have the water for drinking and for production. You have the telephones. Then you have the railway. The railway, Garmoshi. That is economic infrastructure. So here in Karamoja we can check. How far have we gone? The electricity is now there. The telephones are there. The road has arrived in Nakapiripirit and it is coming here next. We are going to tarmac this road here. With water, which is very important for Karamoja, I was looking here. This is all a file about Amudat, this one here. But I could see that the borehole water is still very low in Amudat. It is only 18%.
Purezidenti Museveni yagamba n'okwari kuza kutungura eby'amagara omu kyanga eki nk'okuza karita health center yaka n'okuba district hospital kandi yagaruka yaraganisa n'okwari kuza kwombeka ishomero rya primary omu Ruburumuruka kandi oburugombora omuri Amudat nayo neija kutunga seed school.
The Minister of Karamoja must find out what is the problem.
Maka yanyu buchina yonchini pa omba Karamoja kisaula nanyi nile Kambalele.
Because in the other districts like Abim, Karenga, Kabong, much higher.
Omba loto irosanya Abim, irosanya Karenga, mite na parak omba ngala chumoi, chopa pa uchoye pitch.
That is on the borehole water.
Paraku pawa chumoi chona.
But on the other water,
walomba pa walaka,
there is some work.
Mite na ngala damtin.
There is one solar powered irrigation system completed at Katotin.
Mite na dam nyoki kapal walaglenda Katotin.
And you can see the Pokota moving. You can see that house there. There is solar power there.
Monyi dele suya nyile mipakot kuwatoi. Ambolo wani mite na chane ye kuwalni nyor chini pa ye chini.
So we have power from Jinja, but also people are beginning to know that we can use the solar power. Here, you can see there. Yaashaba okongera kumushajika kandi bakamutora nanka President omukarura akarukwijje 2026. President Museveni ninchakale naija kusiba muri nakapiripiriti na biratuku arikuronda akaruru.